Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Ka Meghalaya Football Association hau Bnai Jymmang ubanwan kan pelong iga lempong ilek kai ki khna ren ya ka belatip kum ka Baby League. Ka Baby League kadai ka wei na ki jing angnut ba ka All India Football Federation kala Sdang ban purut ya ka jing trikam ha keleng saudong jongkari ka ba ki khna nong ishementa kilong ki ba sausnam hadu khatlai snam karta. Ya kani kelempong ilek kai ka MFA kan pelong haringkat ka jing trelang bat ka AIFF bat ka Tata Trust uba WR Kharkarang chairman ka Grassroots Development Cell ka Meghalaya Football Association habakren chigila pathai kubor menta ka sinsa jan ha Shillong Press Club ulai thu bah kani kelempong ilek kai lapia haki babun benta ka Sdang nadu ki ba sausnam hadu sansnam karta henriusnam hadu nyusnam prasnam hadu khandai shiphosnam hadu khatwei bat khatasnam hadu khatlaisnam karta uba Kharkarang uyathu wekani lempung la ban pelong hakadur jong ka 5 aside ne 7 aside kat pesha karta jong ki khna ilek kai ka MFA ka pediang so bhai ki club ki school ki dong nishnong ni ka kunhun ki rew shimen bat ki rew eight football ba ki la ban wane lam la ki jong ki khna badang ren ki bani ai reng shakani ka lempung ilek kai ka jing thap ikirteng ki kunhun bani shimenta kani ka lempung kan Sdang nadu menta ka singi balang ka arf santrik bat kan kon ha ka santrik Bnai Jymmang banwan kumban chupen kan mau baka MFA kadai ka senjok ilek kai football banengkong hakari ka bani soy ya ka skolar jong ka players development pack ha unai tung jong snam bladam bat hakajok opor kala pelong ru ya ka workshop halor ka Baby League kat baka Tata Trust ka don kumba shispatli ki slam IG hikai ka football ha Mizoram bat Manipur ha ka baka slam sandur ka baka Hamchanai ne ka Center of Excellence ka don ha Manipur.
We are going to invite people who are interested to involve in this particular program because in a way you've seen a football field. We're going to divide it into 4 small areas where kids will be playing. So basically it's not that there'll be that full aspect of the rules of the game, that yellow cards and red cards and everything will be there, but it's basically just allowing the kids to just come and kick the ball. There are going to be goals, of course. I mean, there are going to be 2 teams playing, but then it's basically just for them to enjoy. Like picking up from what you have seen, maybe in your locality, you must have seen some kids get together and just play football without a referee, without any. So it's basically just that. But then we are also taking this opportunity actually to train people who are interested to involve over here. We're going to train them on various aspects of how to bring out about this grassroots development. Because kids, they require a little bit of special attention when it comes to incorporating the discipline of the game and the skills of the game. If you notice, senior teams, the coach becomes more of a hard master. He will scold and all that. But I think so in this kind of a scenario, I mean, we have to be very careful with the language that we use and the tone of the voice that we use. So this kind of capacity building of the people who are interested to involve over here is going to take place. So that is going to happen just a week before we launch. We are expecting that by last week of May we'll be able to kick this off. So we are looking at the opportunity of tapping actually through this Baby League. If we run this successfully, then we'll be looking at a lot of interest from outside to be interested in investing in infrastructure over here. Because as you know that funds from the government is limited, but then if you're being able to market that Shillong and Meghalaya is a place where it's a nursery where you can get talented and skillful people. So then you start seeing interest from outside to invest on infrastructure.